cold out here today. Right here above me tonight. Instead of coming in. Alright, I shot at him 3 times, wasn't ready for him, clipped him and the dogs grabbed him. Camera went on for that one, I wasn't ready for him, but we still got one, and then they run another one to a hole right here. We're gonna see if we can't get them back, get another one up down here in the corner. If not, we're gonna go to the other side, but stay with us. Just wanna let y'all know we do have one, but I wasn't ready for him when he come around the edge of the field. But the camera gonna be rolling from now on. I still ain't seen Archie. You sure that dog ain't got your rabbit? Cause he ain't running with them. Who is that in front of you? Arson, I ate your rabbit. Come on, Archie. Nah, I'm telling him. He done ate your rabbit. Yep. Huh? Well, look. You think with him right here and don't put a truck in. He don't follow me. Yeah, she don't follow me. Whoever follows me in the truck. Hey, you, come here. Shoot, bring your butt here. We ain't jumping off no bridge. Get over here. Get here. Come here. Get in. Better get ready. Come here, shoot. Come here, shoot. Whew. I went to get the truck. Come on out. And the rabbit dogs jumped that rabbit running them. And I said I can get the truck and get on around. And shoot, them dogs jumped that rabbit and run them across that road. So now we gotta do a count. Go across before I pull up. There's 6, 7, should be 10. 7, I got 8. I got 8. Alright. So 9, 10, that's 10. Old Cannon, fat dog. There it is. on your shoulder. He trying to get away. You got him. He ain't going nowhere. I see him. Sally coming. She may not eat him, but you got him. You said it. You called it. You said he ran down. He gonna slide back down the ditch. I'm talking about. Take it in. He ain't gonna cut off. See that red sun go inside the hill. Don't call the fire department. They already here. Call fires and put them out. Higgins outdoors. Higgins outdoors. Archie, get back over here, boy. Come on. Talking to Archie. Some dogs out there water. Candy. Whee! Look around. Whee! Alright, that's it. We got two. I think one you shot probably went to a hole. There probably were three in all. But it wasn't a bad hunt. Windy. I don't know how good the quality of the sound is gonna be, but we had a good time. Anytime we can be out here is good. The dogs did good on the back end. Higgins outdoors.
All right.
Till next time, me and Pops. See y'all later.